DirectFix.com presents
the HTC Thunderbolt Take-Apart Directions. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Begin by removing the battery cover. Remove the battery. Remove the SD memory card. And the 4G LTE SIM card. There are 4 Phillips head screws to remove. On the bottom front of the phone, there is a small plastic cover you need to remove with your case opener tool. Underneath, there are 2 more Phillips screws. Gently remove the plastic frame with your fingers or a case opener tool. There are 2 more Phillips screws to remove. Use your case opener tool to carefully remove the back case. Remove the ribbon cable at the bottom of the motherboard. Lift the motherboard off of the screen assembly. Separate the two ribbons connecting the screen assembly to the motherboard. Use a heat gun to loosen the adhesive holding the touch panel to the screen assembly. With the adhesive loosened, use your case opener tool to carefully separate the touch panel. Very carefully remove the LCD display from the screen assembly frame. Remove the touch panel ribbon from the back of the LCD. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.